This motivational short story video has gotten over 6.5 million views on YouTube so far. In today's video, I'm going to create a similar YouTube channel which is entirely powered by AI. My goal is to automate every aspect of content creation, from script writing to visuals and voiceovers and even more. I came across this content idea while browsing YouTube for channel automation ideas. The channel is called Dare to Do Motivation, and it is a channel dedicated to short motivational stories. I did some further research to find out if this would be a lucrative YouTube idea, and what I discovered was mind-blowing. This channel currently has a net worth of about $222,000 as of September 2023. Also, on a daily basis, this channel is said to be making around $400 and over $3,000 every week. And you can see that it is estimated that it will make over $15,000 end of October 2023. Now that is awesome. Quickly let me show you how I created a similar YouTube channel using free AI tools only. First, go to YouTube, click here to create a new channel. We're going to need a channel name and a brand logo here. So we go to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask it to give us 50 motivational short stories, YouTube channel names, and from this list, I'm going to choose Quest for Triumph, which I think is a pretty cool name. Next, we need to create the profile picture, and for this, I'll be utilizing Stable Diffusion, which is an open-source AI image generator. Let's generate inspired young boy cartoon image profile picture to complete our branding. Next, we need a banner. I am going to use our profile picture in order to create the banner on canva.com. And here we are, all. Channel branding has been created using AI. Now comes the real challenge, producing the videos. The first step in this process is to identify our target audience. In my case, I'm targeting individuals who are wasting too much of their time on social media, and they need a push to start studying to achieve this. I go back to ChatGPT and I ask it to provide me with a list of short story ideas to help motivate someone who is spending too much of their time scrolling through their feed on social media and doesn't want to study the story. Should motivate them to start studying and also to avoid social media distraction. Now you can see that ChatGPT has already provided us with some very intriguing ideas. The social media mirror. This story is about a student who is forced to confront the consequences of their excessive social media use. Whilst neglecting their studies, I find this story captivating, making it an ideal starting point for our new channel. Now that we have our story idea, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story on it. Once the story is generated, we simply copy it. The next step is creating the voiceover for this task. Let us use 11labs.io, which is a free tool known for its advanced AI technology that can generate voices resembling real people. Just paste the story you created using ChatGPT and select your desired voice and then generate the audio. Once you have finished creating your voiceover, click this arrow in order to download the audio. Next, head over to Pictory.ai and create a free account. If you haven't already, click on Edit Videos using text and upload the audio you just downloaded from 11 Labs. Click Proceed and just allow a few seconds for it to process. As you can see, the AI has already generated subtitles under the Visuals tab. Search for scenes to include in your video. You can even request Stable Diffusion to create an illustration of a young teenage girl addicted to scrolling on her phone on social media. Click this arrow to download the image and then paste it into the editor after selecting your scene. Click Generate Video. Here is the finished sample video.
Once upon a time in a bustling college town, there lived a young student named Maya.
I like the video already, it's shaping up nicely. Now let's create a compelling thumbnail for our video. Head over to Canva, click on YouTube thumbnail and upload your image. Add some text to make it pop. Be sure to take your time crafting the thumbnail, then click share and download thumbnail to upload the video onto YouTube. We are going to need a title and description, so paste the story and ask ChatGPT to generate both, and boom, we have created this whole video using free AI tools. Now go to your channel, click upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail, and publish the video. Congratulations, your channel is now live. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.